So today we guys are gonna have gobi. This is full gobi, and right after my college I just slept. Didn't have a good cup of chai. तो जैसे मैं उठी तो एक जगह पे खाना बन रहा है, एक जगह पे सी चाय. तो जब तक की सब्जी बन जाएगी, तो I'll get some time to enjoy a good cup. I'm gonna tell you what my mama told me. That जो भी सूखी सब्जी होती है, उसमें you don't have to put धनिया powder. You just add Kashmiri lal mirch and 1.5 spoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, 1.5 spoon of your haldi powder. That's all. You don't have to use this one. सूखी सब्जी में this धनिया powder is not required. So this is what my mama told me. And trust me, सब्जी वाकई में बहुत टेस्टी बनती है if you don't add धनिया powder. You just add haldi powder and you just add Kashmiri lal mirch. And this you can add. This is सब्जी मसाला. तो कोई भी सब्जी आप बना रहे हो, उसमें आप ज़रा सी सब्जी मसाला डाल दो या फिर किचन किंग मसाला डाल दो, and your सब्जी becomes fabulous. I tell you seriously. Something about kitchen king masala वाकई में kitchen का king है. Someone who is not a pro cook like me. My mama told me that I am a decent cook, but not as good as my mama's food, handmade food. So yeah, but kitchen king I was telling you, kitchen king वाकई में kitchen का king है. If you're not that experience about masala, that what masala to put, इसमें कौन सा मसाला डालें, just add kitchen king masala. Add a half spoon of kitchen king masala and you are good to go. तो सब्जी मेरी बन गई है. You just cover it and put it in the sim in low flame. And chai is also made here. Oh wow. Evening में I crave for this time and I crave for this moment, chai moment. And the gobi sabzi is ready. So is my chai. Look at this. This is the best time of the day. Jab everything is ready, you have done your job, you have done all the household chores, and now you just want to sit, relax, and put all the dim lights on and just reading a good book or reading my article. Why this light is not working finally? Yeah, reading an article or just chilling. So this is like the favorite time, watching this lovely view.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company.
Also lately I've realized that whatever you wish to do, I think we should just do it, because YouTube was something I was thinking to come on YouTube since so long, but due to some reasons I was not able to, I was not getting time, or I was not so much sure about it. And also camera ke samne baithe rehna when nobody is right in front of you, just talking, looking at your camera. So this is something which I used to find quite weird, but that is why what I used to do in public place, I never record, because abhi bhi I am a bit hesitant about it. Kahin main akele hu and samne there are some n number of people, unknown people, I don't know them, and taking out my camera and just recording in front of them, camera mein dekh ke baat karna. So still I'm a bit hesitant about it, but at the very same time I want to share my experience also. And I'm into that teaching profession. I am an assistant professor, so we do a lot of talking. You know, today I had 3 lectures, and उसके बाद से I have that energy to interact with people and to talk to people. So we are the people that we love talking. And अगर हमको 6 घंटे के लिए भी कोई lecture होगा with 5 minutes break, I think then also we're gonna talk. So yeah, you know, I was thinking कि बहुत टाइम से मैं सोच रही थी that let's just record something, or these are the moments, or you know, maybe some people like watching you know, slow mornings or slow evenings, or how, you know, we experience things in our way. So I was thinking about it, but I was not sure. And इस चक्कर में I wasted my 2 years सोचने में कि मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ. But when I started doing it, I eventually enjoyed doing it, though it is very time taking, no doubt. I mean, जॉब के साथ साथ वीडियो को कैप्चर करना, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि कभी कैप्चर हो ही नहीं पाता है बिल्कुल भी, बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क कमिटमेंट्स और बिकॉज आई एम इन अ हरी और समथिंग, सो वो कैप्चर हो ही नहीं पाता है. So yeah, when I started doing it, no doubt it's very time taking, no doubt. But at the very same time, it's beautiful, you know, watching all those past memories and, you know, just thinking that at that particular time what I was thinking about situations. So yeah, मुझे बहुत अच्छा, you know, experience हो रहा है YouTube का. So this is basically my vlogging time. I'm quite enjoying it a lot. And this one more thing I want to say, that ये जो कैमरे के सामने बोलना मैंने enjoy करना कब सीखा, कब realize करा, during COVID days. Because COVID days में हम लोगों की classes तो हो नहीं रही थी, virtual classes चल रही थी, and you know, basically online classes चल रही थी. There were no physical classes going on. So for that I really used to enjoy, you know, delivering a lecture right in front of my laptop. तो मैंने वो काफ़ी enjoy करा है. Anywhere you can go. कभी कभी मैं क्लासेस अपने लॉन में लेती थी, कभी क्लासेस मैं अपने टेरेस में लेती थी, कभी बैल्कनी में ले रही थी. सो आई वॉज लिटरली enjoying that time. And from then I thought that maybe some very fine day I'll start my you know, YouTube channel regarding my subject. तो मैं कुछ नोट्स बना के या प्रेजेंटेशन बना के अपने चैनल में पोस्ट कर दिया करूँगी, बिकॉज आई लव टीचिंग माई स्टूडेंट्स. एंड इफ समबडी फाइंड माई लेक्चर ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड एनी टॉपिक, सो आई माइट डू दैट सम डे. सो या, आई एम प्लानिंग दैट ऑल्सो, दैट यू नो, कभी कभी एक पूरा एक प्लेलिस्ट बना के, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर लाइक 5 यूनिट्स इन माय सब्जेक्ट, तो उसका पूरा एक प्लेलिस्ट बना के, फॉर यूनिट 1 दीज आर द वीडियोस, यू नो, टॉपिक वाइज वीडियोस, फॉर यूनिट 2 दीज आर टॉपिक वाइज वीडियोस. बट इट्स वेरी टाइम टेकिंग, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर पीपीटी के बाद देन यू नो उसमें या तो जस्ट पीपीटी के साथ उसको पूरा रिकॉर्ड करना विद वॉइस. सो या, आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. आई थिंक इट माइट हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग माई कॉलेज डेज इट यूज टू हेल्प मी, so might help others also, though there are a lot of YouTube channels regarding the topics, but maybe they find mine quite easy to understand. So yeah, I'm gonna do that someday also. The point was that I was working in some other city, and मेरा घर दूसरी सिटी में था और मैं काम कहीं और सिटी में कर रही थी, जॉब कहीं और कर रही थी. And you know what happened whenever, because my family did suffer from corona, so सबसे ज़्यादा शॉकिंग तो ये था कि स्टार्टिंग में जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का ऑप्शन नहीं था, 2-3 days वी टू क्लासेस फ्रॉम आवर फैकल्टी क्वार्टर. सो एट दैट टाइम जब पता चला था घर में, यू नो, वन ऑफ माई फैमिली मेम्बर इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोरोना, आई वॉज सो शॉक्ड एंड एट द सेम टाइम वॉज सो ब्रोकन दैट we know somebody is suffering at home and still we are not able to go and watch, you know, look after that person. So when the online classes were announced and it was like that आप अपने घर से भी classes ले सकते हो, so I was really happy and feeling fortunate about that. Thank God, at least in, you know, during this hard time, at least we can be with our family member. हम अपने सामने, you know, classes तो चलते रहेंगी, job चलते रहेगा, but at the same time we can look after them. And टाइम होता है पेरेंट्स का एंड यू नो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का, व्हेन दे नीड योर इमोशनल सपोर्ट,
you know, and they just need your presence. You, even if you're not doing much for them, they just need your presence. So at that time I was feeling really happy that thank god online classes का option start हो गया, and we can just go back to our home. अपने classes के साथ साथ मैं कभी कभी classes अपने you know grandparents के सामने, parents के सामने ले लेती थी. They just need your presence, that's all. So yeah, that time I realized that this is something which I'm enjoying. Vlogging is something I think I would enjoy. Laptop आपके सामने है and you're just taking, you know, you're just talking to the students, you're taking a class. So yeah, I did enjoy at that time. So it was like a, you know. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, sitting waiting for my husband to come so that we can have dinner, enjoying chai, and see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.